Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Virginia. I make new videos every week, and if you want to see how I got this bronzy summer makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. I already did my brows. I'm gonna prime the face with my Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. This one just feels so good in the spring and the summer weather. Speaking of a weather, it is hot in Dallas. It is like 92, something like that. And your girl is sporting a new haircut, so happy about that. A fresh blowout always feels really good. And go ahead and do that. So while that sinks in, let's just go ahead and start with the eye makeup. Guys, I don't have any eyeshadow primer, but you know my tried and true Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, you'll already know. So I'm just gonna dab on just a bit on my eyes. Then I'm gonna bounce it out with my beauty sponge. I think this one's from e.l.f. So if you don't follow me on like Instagram, I'll put my handle right here, but I was saying that I put a poll on my Instagram stories, like an affordable makeup look, and I think I did ColourPop and NYX, NYX, and a lot of people picked ColourPop. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna browse some things and see what type of look I want to do for ColourPop. I'm excited to do an affordable makeup look for you guys. And I just really like ColourPop. It's affordable. Their eyeshadow's pigmented. Their lippies are just really nice. Scotch tape just to like help me guide where I put like my eyeshadow, my eyeliner. This is also a good tool if you're just beginning and starting out to do like a wing liner or a cat eye look type of thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do on the other side. I like to like stick it on the back of my hand so it doesn't hurt as much when I peel this tape off. Working from the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette. I'm doing like a bronzy type of eye look. Be using a Morphe brush. So I think I'm gonna take these two shades or these three shades and just like pop it in my crease. Just kind of diffuse it, blow it out. I just want to say a thank you for those who have been liking my videos, who have subscribed so far, and for sharing my last video, my halo eye. So very much appreciated. Thank you guys. So I'm just gonna put this a little above my crease. And just do like windshield wiper motions. And just start blending. All right, I got cut off, but I'm just gonna put those shades in my crease and then here as well. Not gotten my brows done yet, so excuse for the unclean brows. I mean, I can clean my brows, I can just thread it right here, but I don't know how to like shape them. So that's what I've been doing for this whole stay-at-home quarantine. I've just been cleaning up the bottoms of my brows. But right, so that's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this bronzy-ish shade. This one right here. That one. I'm gonna put on a flat brush. And then I'm gonna pat that like all over my lid. Ooh. These shadows are pigmented. I'll go back with my finger and just intensify it just a bit. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and just blend it all together. This is the liner that was gifted to me. It's made in Japan. Integrate. I need a new one. I need a new black liner. So just use any black liner that you have. Like putting on like liner is just one of those things where like, shh, nobody move, okay? Just so focused, so concentrated so you don't mess up. So it's like everyone hold their breath. So liner is on. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and then put some falsies on, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, lashes are on. So let's go ahead and start with the face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Revlon Photoready Candid. It's a natural finish, it's anti-pollution foundation. I got the shade 400 Macadamia. I saw this, it was on sale at Ulta a few weeks ago, so I was like, let me just try it. So I know it's not talked about as much, but I was like, let me just try it. I like a natural finish, and that anti-pollution got me. So go ahead and pounce this out with the beauty sponge. I'm gonna take this tape off. I don't really need it anymore. Oh, so I forgot to tell you guys, I started a new Netflix show because I was like, I want to watch a new TV show. And it was like on the top 10 at the time. I watched it last week, but I just finished it like a few days ago, and now it's like number 1 or number 2. Sweet Magnolias, you guys. Anyone else watch Sweet Magnolia? If you have, let me know in the comments down below what you thought about it. If you haven't, I'll just keep my mouth shut, but you need to go watch it. I didn't think. All right, so I got cut off. My phone stopped recording, so I'm just pouncing this out on my skin. I took the tape off, so it's just gonna give me, so I can put my pounce, so I can pounce my foundation in. So as you can tell, it just gave me like a lifted look, which I really like. I love cat eye looks. All right, and then whatever's left over on my beauty sponge, I'm just gonna take it down my neck just to blend everything out. My Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. I'm gonna use the shade 30. I kind of want a bit more brighter. I know, I probably need to get more concealers, but this one is just, I like it. I like it. Under eyes, my forehead. I don't like to highlight on my chin. That's where my problematic area is on my skin. So I don't like to highlight it. I don't like to accentuate it. So I just leave it alone. So I'm just gonna pat this. And then I'm just gonna clean up the edges of my eye look with the concealer. Just sharpen my eyeshadow look and my cat eye look with this concealer too. So I know I was talking about the show Sweet Magnolias, and if you haven't seen it, go and watch it. Again, comment down below if you have watched it, or if you like it, or if you don't like it, let me know. But I wanted to watch it is because I used to watch that show Reba, and her oldest daughter Cheyenne, she's one of like the main leads on the show. And then also on Grey's Anatomy, The guy, I forget his name, he played a paramedic on Grey's Anatomy, but he plays in Sweet Magnolias too. He's the one who like got married with April Kepner on something on Grey's Anatomy. So if you watch Grey's Anatomy or Reba and you know like the characters I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below. But I was like, let me see what they're up to. So I really enjoy this show. I like it. I can't wait for season 2. Hopefully there's a season 2. I still had some foundation left over on my hands, so I'm just gonna put whatever's left over on the spots that I want just a bit more coverage. It's actually a pretty foundation. Alrighty, so for this bronzy look, I got new Fenty Beauty things. The Fenty Beauty website was having like a sale, so I want to try some of their things. So that I got was their cream bronzer. I got this shade Honey Glaze, so we'll see how this one turns out. I'm excited. Like, the packaging is just really, really pretty. Ugh, like, look at that. Gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a Real Techniques brush and then carve out my cheekbones. I'm gonna go up with it. So let's see. I'm just gonna go light-handed for right now because I don't know how pigmented this is. And you can't move. Like if you put like a lot on, it's gonna be like harder to like remove. I'll blend it in with my beauty blender in a bit, but I just want to place it on here. Okay, don't forget the jawline. I know it looks crazy right now, but let me just blend it in. Another Real Techniques brush that I like to use for like cream contouring. So I'm actually just gonna put some on here and I'm just gonna pat it into the skin. I'm just gonna blend that out. My jawline. But I really liked it. I'm gonna keep testing it some more and see if I like it, just to play with it since it is a cream. But speaking of creams, I also got their Cheeks Out cream blush as well. I just couldn't decide what shade. They looked also pretty online. Shade Strawberry Drip. Like, it's so cute. So that's that. Before I do that, I'm going to apply my cream highlight. I've used this I think in my second video. This is the Nature's Cartel one, in the shade Global Awakening Illuminator. So I'm just going to warm this up on my skin, put it down my nose, because I haven't set my face yet. So you always want to put your creams on before your powders, before you set it all. So nice flush of color, like it's really, really pretty. I like it. These are pigmented, okay? So be careful with it. They're really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly set my under eyes really quick with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Set my T-zone as well. So basically wherever I put concealer on, and then because my T-zone also gets oily, so a little bit just to sharpen it just a bit down here. just want to clean that up just a bit. Okay, that's just gonna take my Physicians Formula bronzer, the butter bronzer in the shade D bronzer. So I'm just gonna set my cream contour just a bit. Take a Milani Bake Brush in Rose Dioro. I'm just gonna lightly set my cheeks. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything out. Okay. The beauty sponge is just gonna pick up anything extra on your face. Especially if you kind of go like hard on your bronzer or your blush or your highlight or anything, you can just lightly pat it and then it'll just take out some of that excess product. Do my lower lash line real quick. Now, everything that I did on the top of my lids, I'm just gonna mimic it on my bottom lash line. Pop on some highlight. I forgot to set my highlight. Just using my Fuego one. Lightly pat it. As this is already pigmented highlighter. I'm going to use the same highlighter to highlight my inner corner. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Whatever Walnut. This one. And then I'm going to top it off with my Dose of Colors More Creamer Please. I'm gonna pat it on. A new setting spray from Fenty Beauty, the Make It, what is this called? What It Do makeup spray. And this little, like how cute, it's like a lilac type of color. It's really pretty. So the fan is on. So alright, you guys, this makeup look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial on this bronzy summer makeup look. If these are the type of videos that you like, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. But yeah, so I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.